For some people, the stimulus check registration deadline is October 15th. But the faster you register, the faster you will receive your first stimulus check. Let's get the details, shall we? Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. In this video, I have a very important update and the deadline for some people that still need to register for a stimulus check. And by the way, for those of you that are part of my community and you have already subscribed, well, welcome back and thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It is free and I will bring you all the stimulus updates along with other personal finance tips in the future. Let's get straight to it. If you're one of those categories, low income, no income, or you're homeless, you are eligible to receive a stimulus check. Yes, you are. However, if you want to receive a stimulus check by the end of this year, you need to register by October 15th. Obviously, the earlier you register, the faster you will receive your stimulus check. So please don't waste time. Any low-income earners, essential workers, or those recently unemployed who earned less than $12,200 as an individual or $24,400 as married couples will need to register if you have not received your stimulus checks yet. If you don't know how to register or where, I will tell you and show you right now. So, recently the IRS came out with a statement urging people who don't normally file taxes, including those low income, no income, and homeless people, to use the non-filers tool on their website and provide the information as soon as possible. To do so, you need to go on irs.gov. Please do not trust any other websites. Once you're on the irs.gov website, on the top right corner, you will see where it says non-filers, enter payment information. This is the place you need to click on. This will open the non-filers enter payment info page. You will have to scroll down a little bit because it's not visible at first, but you're looking for a button that says enter your information here. Now, you will go on the page free file once you click on that button. On that page, it explains who and why they need to register. Down at the bottom, click on Get Started. And this is the last page where you create your account in order to provide the IRS with your payment details. Make sure you save this information just in case you need to log in the future. So if you receive Veterans Disability Compensation, a pension, or survivor benefits from the Department of Veterans Affairs, or your income level does not require you to file tax returns, then you need to submit information to the IRS to receive the first stimulus check or economic impact payment. This is what is stated on the IRS website. So if you're in one of those categories, please go ahead and submit your information so you can receive your first stimulus check. Also, share this video on Facebook and Twitter so more people can see it and they will be able to get their stimulus checks. The IRS created the non-filers tool so you can get a stimulus check even if you're not normally required to file taxes. If you register by October 15th, you will receive a stimulus check by the end of this year. However, again, the earlier you register, the earlier you can get the stimulus money, which is up to $1,200 for individuals or $2,400 for married couples. So use the non-filers tool to register for a stimulus check if you earned less than $12,200 as an individual or less than $24,400 as a married couple. Use the non-filer tool to register for stimulus checks if you have not earned any income at all. Use the non-filers tool to register for a stimulus check even if you're homeless. And use the non-filers tool to get a stimulus check even if you don't work at all. And don't forget to share this video with as many people as you can, just in case they need to see this so they can receive their stimulus checks. I will continue to bring you daily updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you and sharing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share, like I said, so more people can see it. And don't forget, down in the description, you will find other helpful links to other helpful videos as well. So don't forget to check that out. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.